So today we're going to be putting on baseboard, Rubber Cove baseboard specifically. I'll show you guys the quick process to do a couple of strips that I'm going to do. I have a small space that we're going to do in this room here, and once we do that, I'll kind of go step by step, and we'll be good to go, and you'll be able to do it for you.
So we need a few things to get started. We need our trusty knife here, some PL. I'm going to use PL. I was going to use contact cement. I just don't like how long it takes, what have you, and that's really just the reason. It's weird, it doesn't work well. I think for this, this PL will work great because it's a construction adhesive, so it bonds really well to a lot of things. A lot of drywall, plaster, whatever's coming on and off the wall. So we're gonna do that. Let's go get our baseboard.
All right, let's set this down. Find out how much we need and lay it down flat. Makes it a bit easier to kind of gauge how much we need. All right, so it's roughly there. Giant serpent, man. Let's go all the way to here. Okay. Line it up, cut it straight as the average curve. And then should be good to go. I'm going to pry out a couple of the pieces that are still stuck in there from the carpet. This makes it a bit easier for me to put my stuff on. It looks better. Secure those things. Yeah, that came up high. Look at that. All right. Because the seal will not be as good and the seam won't look as good if it's cracked out like this. And these are butting up against the baseboard. That's better. Yeah, and I'm not too worried about anything else though. I'm gonna take this, butt it up against the Rubber Cove base. So then this way everything adheres and there's weight pushing on it. Because that's the problem with all these adhesives is nothing's right away. So that's what we're gonna do. I have an idea though that I wanna try. The idea is, because the Rubber Cove base is this way and it's an inch or so, half inch off the ground, what I'm gonna do is, in order to not ruin it by going just straight up against it, I'm gonna push this against it, but I'm gonna raise it by like taking out a piece of flooring. I think it could work. I might not even need to, but I think just lifting a piece of flooring and offsetting it will make this so much easier for me, at least in this particular setting. Am I making more of a mess for myself? Absolutely. Do I need pieces of flooring? Yes, I do. Well, with this being said, let's get started. No more messing around. Because then that'll get me the height of the baseboard. And then this will get stuck on the wall. All right. That is not that bad. All right. Nothing's stopping me now. I'm gonna put it more at the bottom. And then a bit midway so that it doesn't goop and ooze out the top, you know what I mean? Can't have that. Oh, there we go. Don't want it oozing because this shit makes a mess, man. No thanks. Yeah, I don't want it oozing too high up. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh. All right, let's see if my idea works even.
I should probably get the whole baseboard done first, but who cares at this point? I just want to get this up and on the wall. Let's get it down. Move this off the wall. Booyah! And that, my friends, is how it's done. It's so satisfying when it goes on correctly. My goodness. When it goes on how it should be, and there's just, it's clean, it looks good, and it's tucked in nice like that. That's what we're hoping for, baby. And now I proceed with the rest of it. Again, not going too high so it doesn't ooze. I don't care if it oozes because the bottom, it has somewhere to go. The bottom what I'll do is this. Let's take one out. Let's do this. It's stuck. Oh, I was nervous for a second, Mike. Aha, nailed it. Success. There we go. I didn't even go that high here. Let's make it a bit higher and we good to go. All right. Ugh. That side's great. That section, I had to move it up and down too much. Let's do this. Oh no. So you guys just saw that, super easy, super simple to take care of the baseboard, especially with the Rubber Cove. It doesn't stick up as well quickly or adhere quickly to the wall, but if you're able to be patient and you figure it out like I did a couple things, which I'm sure you will, then it'll make everything a bit easier and smooth for you. How I MacGyvered stuff like that, put the baseboard on, gonna let that adhere. Doesn't take that long. I'm gonna let that adhere while I do something else, then I'll come back to it and keep trucking. Subscribe, I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.